guys, this is Paul from WMR Racing Development in Stewart, Florida. Today I want to talk about code number 9 on your TBI motorcycle, which is your crankcase pressure sensor. So we're going to connect our Nano, read the code, and see what kind of OBD2 code it is. At this point, we want to establish a connection between your Nano and your phone. After you establish a connection between the Nano and your phone, this is your dashboard. To make sure that the vehicle you're working on is active, make sure to press on My Vehicles, and it should be on the top. Let's go back to the dashboard and click Service to read the codes. Choose Fault Codes and read the codes. And there you have it. 9 flashes of your FI light translates to a P0107 OBD2 code, which stands for Crankcase Pressure Circuit Low. As usual, the first thing you want to do is look at the actual connector of your crankcase pressure sensor to make sure that there's no corrosion, broken pins, or any type of foreign material. And after you determine whether the sensor, the harness, or any other components related to it are bad, go ahead and replace them. After that, make sure to clear the codes to confirm the repair. After you clear the code and there are no more fault codes found, clear it again just to make sure that there are no recurring codes. And there you have it. After you confirm that there are no codes recurrent, go ahead and exit to your dashboard and simply disconnect. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to read and clear your codes with the Maptuner Nano. And now you're ready to ride. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.